Namaste, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rijana from Nepal. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm here to show you how I created this look, New Year's Eve party look for year 2020. So let's end this year in a good note and welcome 2021 wholeheartedly. Happy New Year, everyone. So let's start. I have done my skincare routine, and that is applying moisturizer, my other serums. I will start by doing my eyebrows. So I'm taking this pencil NYX Professional Makeup micro brow pencil and going to do my eyebrows. I'll start by outlining my eyebrows. And then fill it up. Once that is done, I'm going to comb it up so that everything smoothens up. I'm going to fix it up using a eyebrow mascara. So this is by Catrice, and then start by combing this part. This will help to set my eyebrows in place. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer and then take a flat concealer brush and then apply it on my eyebrows. I'm going to take the same concealer also as the base for my eye makeup, so I'm going to apply it on the whole eyelid. Once you are done applying concealer, you need to set it up as soon as possible because concealer will crease on your eyes very fast. So I'm going to take this powder by Maybelline. Very little, I'm going to just gently pat it on my eyes. Before doing it, make sure that your concealer is well blended. I'm doing New Year Eve look. So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take a blending brush by Morphe. So I'm going to take that shade and just pat it on this part, on the outer third of my eyes. Then I'm going to take this shade, Black Chopper here, and pat it on top of this sweat shade. Then using a fluffy brush, I'm going to take the transition shade Henna and then just blend this and apply it here. I'm going to make sure that it is well blended. I'm going to blend it in the outward direction. Also, I will blend this eyeshadow, especially on the edge. I will clean up the edge using a Filt'r. I'm going to take the shade Ballet Shoes by Sephora. I will wet my brush and take the glitter and then gently tap it on my eyelid. I will take this shade Swell and then just gently I'm going to apply it on the edge of this silver eyeshadow because I want to make sure that there is a smooth transition. So this finishes the upper eyelid. Now I'm going to move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to take that same henna shade and apply it on the lower lash. Taking the sandalwood shade, I'm going to blend the edges of this henna shade. So once that is done, I'm going to take that black shade and then also apply only on the outer third of my lower lash line and connect it with the upper one. I'll take the same sandalwood shade and buff out the edges. I will take the shade Bubbly and highlight the inner corner as well as the brow bone area. I will be using Epic Liner by NYX. I'm going to tagline both my upper and lower lash line. If there is any fallout, I'm going to clean it up using a Q-tip. I'm going to start my face. I will take MAC Prep and Prime and then spray it on my face. I'm going to use it as a primer. It creates a sticky base for my foundation. I'm going to take Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the matte one. There is also another one, hydrating one. Using this foundation brush by Real Technique, I'm going to apply it on my whole face. Today I'm going to contour my face using NYX Wonder Stick and then apply it on the hollow of my cheekbone, on my nose. I am taking this sculpting brush by Real Technique and I'm going to blend that. And for the nose, I'm going to use my fingers to blend it. Now I'm going to apply concealer on my under eye area. Also on the center of my face. And then using a beauty blender, I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to set it up using a powder. Using the same beauty blender, I'm going to apply it under my eyes. And using a brush, I'm going to take the powder, tap off the excess and just gently apply it everywhere on the rest of my face. It will help to set any cream or liquid products on your face. I'm going to apply this Physicians Formulas bronzer using a contour brush. Pinching the brush, I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose. Also under my lips. Then I'm going to use the blush by Altera, soft pink blush, and then apply on my cheek. I'm going to take the Makeup Fixing Spray by Urban Decay. I'm going to take the same Huda Beauty palette and take the shade Bubbly as the highlighter for my face. On the nose and on my lips, I'm going to apply it using my fingers. Moving on, I'm going to apply lipstick. Today I'm going to take the new shade. It's a Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. So once this is applied, I'm going to top it off with a lip gloss by NYX. Now I'm going to apply Falsies Lash Lift Mascara by Maybelline and apply 2 coats of it. Today I will definitely use the Falsies to complement this eye look. It will enhance the look in many ways. So this is the finished look after applying my Falsies. I hope you enjoyed watching how I created this look as much as I enjoyed creating it. Let's enjoy the end of year 2020 in the best way possible with your family or the loved ones. Please like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get the notifications of my future upload. Happy New Year everyone! Bye bye!